Video 2, and we got 130 grams out of this 2018 Kia Forte with 531 grams is what's required by the factory sticker. So we were short, and that does confirm what the customer says. Their defroster's not working and they hear a kind of hissing sound underneath the dash, and that would be the low refrigerant and air entering at the expansion valve, making a hissing sound, just like if you get a garden hose and you kink a garden hose, and as the water goes through, the pressure going through the kinked garden hose makes that hissing sound. It's kind of similar to that. Some vehicles more, some vehicles less, some vehicles not at all. So we know we're short on refrigerant. Now we're going to charge it up all the way by weight, 530 grams. And that hissing sound, which I don't know if in the first video that the microphone was capable of picking up under the dash, but we're going to do a before and after. And let me get the scale set up to put the new refrigerant in and fill it up, and let's see what the after result is.